If your 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee backup camera shows a black screen, don't rush to the dealer just yet. Data shows that 70% of these camera failures are caused by loose connections rather than a dead unit. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where your signal is being lost. Start with a hard battery reset and check your fuse box for any blown circuits related to the rear sensors. The most frequent culprit is the wiring harness located inside the tailgate hinge, which often frays over time. If the wiring looks perfect, water intrusion inside the camera lens housing itself might be shorting out the board. You can handle basic contact cleaning at home, but module programming requires dealership diagnostic software. Repair costs vary significantly depending on whether you are just patching a wire or replacing the entire camera module. Use a multimeter to check for voltage at the connector before deciding to purchase expensive replacement parts. Always disconnect your battery before working on electrical components to prevent accidental shorts or blown fuses. Remember, if your radio interface works perfectly but the camera is black, the issue is almost always restricted to that rear tailgate link. Check those wires, perform a reset, and you will likely have your backup camera back in action today.